Ride along and see some highlights from the Spaceship Earth ride in EPCOT in Disney World, Orlando, Florida.
Rotate back. Say stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back and then stop momentarily.
It really is.
Recording our knowledge on TV. There's only one problem. When we move, the recorded knowledge stays behind. The dawn of great civilization. Rome built the first, watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. Walt to make it easier to record.
Here are just a few more things on the ride. Angelo! Go, Michelangelo, go! Whoa, look at these machines! Wow, there's so much to look at. Space?
Welcome, 1956 Olympic hero Jenna Loves winner of all gold medals.
Yeah, wow. What is it?
Inspirational athlete. Headline for this. Against all odds, America's Jenna Loves has won.
Look over here. It's like us. Look, it's TV watching. They don't have YouTube yet.
Send a man to the moon.
Whoa, what is that? Whoa, computers. A dentist? Kind of has the right jacket. All right, and then the Spaceship Earth ride starts getting into the modern ages here.
Wow. Then we'll show you a new world. Custom made just for you. Then we'll show you a new Well done. Now along with your answers.
And this is one of my favorite parts of the Spaceship Earth ride. So during the ride, well, at the beginning, they took your photos and you didn't even realize it, but there was a light flashing in the beginning of the ride. And then towards the end of the ride, first you made your way up into the ball, like to the peak of the ball. So they have to get you back down off the ride to the exit. So you watch this as your car descends backwards. It's not a thrill ride. It's not scary. It's super slow and easygoing ride. But it goes backwards, but you're kind of distracted because you're watching this little thing on the screen. This is so sweet. I didn't realize that they got our photos, and it's so neat to see. I'm not sure why my hair looks like that, but it looks pretty cool. And whoever's in your immediate car will get this little screen at the end. So whoever's sitting right next to you, the cars fit 2 people in the front, 2 people in the back. So whoever's in the back of your car, even if they're different riders that you don't know that aren't in your family, they'll end up on a different screen that only they're watching. I absolutely love this EPCOT ride. Check out more videos and posts from Jenna Loves Magic if you are planning your Walt Disney World trip and want some tips and tricks. And if you're a foodie, make sure to visit me on my food channel, Sip Bite Go. because there you can get my recipe for smoked turkey legs that are basically a Disney copycat recipe. I'll teach you how to smoke them, how to bake them in the oven, or how to air fry turkey legs just like you'd get at Disney. That's all for you foodies there. Well, until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you here next time, friend. Cheers!